Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the brand new Moto Edge 60 Fusion. This phone is seriously impressive, boasting a gorgeous display, lightning fast performance, and a camera that'll blow you away. We are going to explore all its features, so stick around for our in-depth review. Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Edge out the ordinary. 1.5K all-curved display. True color Sony LYT700C cam. 3 top 5 reasons to get the Edge with many world's first and segment's best features. World's most immersive 1.5K all-curved display 4500 nits. Moto AI. World's one true color Sony LYT700C cam validated by Pantone. Segment's most durable IP68 plus IP69 and MIL810H. Segment's best UL experience. India's one MediaTek Dimensity 7400. 4 Edge out the boundaries. World's most immersive all-curved display with Gorilla Glass 7i. 6.7 1.5K 17.018 cm Pantone validated true color display. 96.3% SB ratio segment's best. 4500 nits peak brightness 1400 nits HBM. 10-bit vertical bar HDR10 plus 100% DCI P3 color gamut. Water Touch 3.0 SGS eye care protection. 5 Edge out the inaccuracies. Segments only. True color display and camera. Validated by Pantone. 6 Edge into the perfect click. World's first. True color Sony LYT700C. Camera validated by Pantone. Moto AI. 7 Edge into smarter and more personal assistance. Segment's best UL experience with Moto AI. Catch me up. Quick update on missed notifications. Remember this plus recall. Your memories at your command. Pay attention. Records, transcribes, translates, and summarizes. 8 Edge into ultimate durability. Worry-free use. IP68 underwater protection. Withstands high-pressure water jets. IP69 rating. Stays strong everywhere. MIL810H military grade. Drop and scratch protection. Gorilla Glass 7i. 9 Edge into blazing performance. India's first MediaTek trademark symbol Dimensity 7400 with UL capabilities. RAM 8GB, vertical bar 12GB. Storage 256GB. MicroSD 1TB. Charge less, do more. Power up in just 9 minutes with 68W turbo power charger trademark symbol. 10 Edge ahead of the curve. Hello all based on Android trademark symbol 15. 11 Edge into absolute peace of mind. Our delightful software experiences. Moto Secure 3.0. Secures every click and tap. Smart Connect 2.0. Effortlessly connects your phone to your PC. Moto Gestures. Twist to open camera. Family Space 3.0. Safer sharing with kids and guests. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is priced as follows in India. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 22,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 24,999 rupees. It will be available for purchase through Flipkart and the official Motorola India website. If you are enjoying my content, please show your support. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.